Good morning guys, I'm Elle. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a room makeover video, but it's also kind of an emotional one for me. Today I'm going to be redoing my bedroom. After my divorce, my bedroom was one of the most triggering rooms in my house. I needed to change it up to try and breathe new life into it. Over the past year, I have repainted the bedroom, which I love. The color is called Pale Oak. I will link it down below. I've also rearranged the furniture and gotten new sheets. All of this has really helped me to redefine and create new memories for this bedroom. But the time has come where I am ready to say goodbye to this bed. I feel like, as someone who has lost a parent as well as someone who has lost a marriage, there's a lot of crossover in terms of the stages of grief that you go through, and sometimes you cling and hold on to certain things until you're ready to enter the next emotional phase and you're ready to gradually let things go and re-architect and write a new story for yourself. I'm actually really proud of myself that I feel ready to let this bed go. So without further ado, let's get into this makeover. So the first thing I'm going to do is take all the sheets off the bed. The new bed that I ordered is a queen size, whereas this current bed was a king size. So I think I'm gonna have to order new fitted sheets, but I'm hoping that my duvet cover and duvet will work fine on a queen bed, even though they're meant for a king. The next thing I'm going to do is disassemble the bed frame and the mattress. Now that the bed and the mattress is out of the room, I can already feel a big weight lifted off my shoulders. It feels like I'm ready to close that chapter of my life and open a new book, open a new chapter for new and exciting things to come into place. I am a strong believer that things are just things. Getting rid of the things doesn't mean that you have to get rid of the memories. However, sometimes there are things in our house that are strongly tied to memories, and sometimes for our mental health, it is important that we say goodbye to those things so we can also say goodbye to the negative memories attached to them. We all deserve to live freely. And so I can already feel a giant weight off my shoulders knowing that I am getting a fresh new start. This is the type of feeling that I often talk about in my laundry chat videos, where it's the good kind of hard. It's definitely hard to say goodbye to these things, but it's the good kind of hard because you know that you are welcoming a new chapter and a new stage of development in your life. So now that everything's out of the bedroom, it's actually a really great opportunity for me to do a deep clean of this carpet. This carpet isn't all that old. I think it's maybe 4 or 5 years old, but it is definitely in need of a deep clean shampoo. So I rented a carpet cleaner from Home Depot. They were still doing curbside pickup, and I decided to give the carpet a really good deep clean. I know that this probably makes no sense, but there's something that feels really therapeutic about shampooing the carpets. It's almost like every time I empty the bucket and I see all that dirt get poured down the drain, it almost feels like I'm getting like an emotional clearing as well. Like I'm clearing out all the negative memories and clearing out all the negative energy, and I'm making space for clean and new. I know I'm probably getting like way too metaphoric. You're like, chill, Elle, you're shampooing a carpet, you're not Deepak Chopra. But you know what? It feels good in my soul, and that's what matters. We're doing an emotional cleansing as well as a carpet cleansing today. So now that it is out with the old and in with the cleaning, it is also time to bring in some new furniture. I will have everything linked down below. I ended up going with an IKEA bed frame. I knew the one that I wanted, and I did look on Facebook Marketplace for a few weeks, seeing if I could find a used one, but one never came up, and so I ended up just dipping into my savings and splurging on this new bed. And last but not least, it is time for some finishing touches before I do the final room reveal. I love how airy and calm this bedroom now feels. It really feels like I'm getting a brand new, fresh start. I hope you guys like this bedroom makeover. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like anything you've seen, I will have everything linked in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would consider hitting the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this makeover, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!